Alright, so this is a tour of my chicken coop, my pride and joy. So, here we have the inside. Just go back a little bit, Liv, so we can see it. We can prop it open like this. If this doesn't fall off. So this is their roosting bar in there. And then we have their nesting boxes. I'll just go in here. And then these will come out so that we can clean them. So, and then, alright, see, back up. Let's go all the way back up there so you can actually see it. Alright. And then down here we have our free range. So this will open up like this. So then our chickens can go out. And then we have our, come around this side, will ya? We have our little, back up. Down here is our little spot so they can climb up there. And then we go down real low, squat down, Liv. Go down, 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 down. And down here we have our watering, that little watering, what they call poultry nipples. Down there where they're gonna drink. And on this side, come this way, we're gonna have our little feeder down here, so we can step back. So you can take the lid off here like this, and we stick our feed in there, and then it goes down there, so we don't have to go inside. And this is where we'll fill the water up here, and we put the water in there. And yeah, that's the coop in all its glory.
You should video.
And here's Olivia wanting to show our little inside view.
Open up
Please show them how it works, Liv. You see it in there?
Then you take this one, or any of them, and then you find the nail, which is over here. And stick this in here and put it right there. That.
Perfect.
And there's two in here. 1, 2.